Hey guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to change the color of the background, or also called the artboard. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to layers and we're gonna go ahead and create a new layer. If you do not have this window, go to window and then click layers or F7. Now once the new layer is created, we can go ahead and click on the layer 1. Then we're gonna go and create a rectangle in the shape of the whole artboard. Now we can click fill and then change to our desired color. Now what I would recommend is to lock the first layer for it not to be messed with later on. Now for the second method, this is if you have already done a project and it's finished and it's many layers long and you don't really want to mess with it. I would just go to File, Export, and then Save for Web Legacy. Once we're here, go to this part and change it to your desired color. Make sure to have the transparency option off for it to have a background. And that's it, we're all done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found the tutorial useful, please subscribe or leave a like.